Hello guys and welcome. I hope that you're doing well. My name is UGD King or I play 4K, AK, I play 8K, AK, I play 16K, and during this video I'm going to share the knowledge in Quake 2 uh, base game, Quake 2 RTX mode, Quake 2 Berserker mode, or pretty much all kind of different Quakes 2 games that running kind of original and original game engine. And I will show you how to run a demo batch files. This is very important and not so easy for the beginners that never uh, used heavily console of the Quake 2 game. Okay, ID Tech second game engine, and it's going to be a great knowledge for those people that would like to play 2, 3 game demos in Quake 2 automatically without typing every single time the command. Let's say you're a speedrunner, you can speedrun and record your demos of every single level, and then you can play to a specific commands all those demos, just typing one line of the code and keep recording, and it's going to record all of your demos, so you don't have to record one demo, second demo, third demo, and then edit the video files into one video file. You just can record one video file with many demos as you like. You can play them automatically, you can play them in order that you like as well, and today I'm going to demonstrate it to you. So it's going to be a Quake 2 console commands on advanced level, but with step-by-step instructions for the completely newbie, completely beginner in Quake 2 console commands. So as you can see, I created the demo.cfg file, um, and I can run it through a console command, execute a demo.cfg file, and after I'm gonna type this command in my console, this one line exec, let me show it to you. It's going to be command like that, exec demo.cfg, and in my game, in the Quake 2 game or Quake 2 RTX, and I'm gonna press the enter. After that point, it's gonna execute bunch of demos. As you can see under this file, I have all those demos, okay, that we can run, and I put the order. So this is going to be a speed run of every single level in Quake 2. So I don't have to record every single demo and just stitch them together in video editor. I can just create the demo.cfg, execute it through the console. It's going to loop it automatically exactly in the order that I created. I can record it with NVIDIA Shadowplay or with any screen capture that you like, or external professional screen capture, and then I can just upload the single file and I'm going to be golden. So pretty easy, guys. If you didn't program before, as you can see, the Quake 2 command line using even the command um, right here with 2 forward slashes, command lines that you can use like a lot of computer languages using. So if you're gonna put 2 forward slashes, you can write a line of the command that is not going to be executed in the Quake 2 command. Um, Not gonna do anything with Quake 2 game, but you can kind of comment so people will know, or you will know if you're gonna open this, like let's say in 3 months, you're gonna know exactly what's going on. You can put demo stuff of my speed run or something like that in 18 minutes or something like that, and that's it, and you're gonna know what's going on. All right, and click save, and that's it. Make sure it's a demo.cfg or any name that you like to name. So as you can see, I created the alias. I created alias as kind of you creating the variables, and then you gotta put in that variable a value. It's just like a computer language, but over here it's called, instead of variables, it's called the aliases. So you're creating the aliases, but pretty much you're creating the variable, and then you gotta put the value into it like this. So I created D1, D2, D3 all the way to D19, and I said the value will be execute the command, which is the demo command for Quake II console, and then I put the path of the folder where it's located in my Quake II folder. It's going to be under the demos, and it's going to be under the unit01/base1.dm2. So it's going to be the first level of the speed run. Okay. Then I put the semicolon, and then I said set next server a D2 command, and it's all in this value, as you can see in parentheses, all this value. So two commands. One command is a demo command has its also value. Then it's a set command, which is go ahead and set it, go ahead and execute it. It's kind of like execute. And then next server command, and next server command with the value of D2, and D2 will be another variable right here, D2, with this value, and it's going to execute this value. And then I'm going to execute D3. If I'm going to put D1, then it's going to loop automatically, and you're just going to play two demos that are going to loop. First it's going to play this demo right here. Then it's gonna, after this demo will be finished, it's gonna switch to this line, and then it's gonna loop back again. If I'm gonna change instead of D3 over here, so it's not gonna switch to another line but D1. So it's gonna jump back to D1 and play D1, then D2, and jump back to D1. Hopefully guys this makes sense. So this is how you're creating automatic looping, but over here I didn't create any automatic looping. As you can see, I stated in the end for my D19 value variable and value right here to close it, and there is no other command. So after it's gonna play D19 variable with the command demo and value of the demo command, this min3e .dm2 demo, it's going to stop after that point and close. But if I'm gonna put over here set next server, copy this command, and I'm gonna say set next server like that D1, as you already know, it's gonna jump back to this line and it's gonna run this line. All right, so this is how it is, guys. Okay, let me save it, and hopefully it completely makes sense. So this is how you're playing multiple demos in Quake. Okay, you're pretty much creating variables. You can create D1, you can create C1 if you're gonna run out D1s. You can create anything, you can name it anything as a variable, but I decided to make it short so it's not gonna be so confusing for the newbies, for the beginners, as again this video for completely newbies, completely beginners. Keep that in mind. So it works for sure in Quake II Classic, in Quake II RTX mode by NVIDIA. The same thing will be working for Quake II Berserker mode as well, and some other modes that are going to be based on original Quake II game engine. Or if it's not like that, find out what is the command to run the demo and put this command right here, and what is the command to if there is a next server command is enabled. So check out that mode commands. Let's say if it's going to be some sort of sophisticated mode that's going to extend the Quake II engine with some other commands, just check out the list of that mode. Just ask the developer of that mode, what is the commands, is the next server there, is the demo there, how to play demo, how to record the demo, and stuff like that. For those who don't know, you can record the demo by pressing command record in your console, and then demo, record demo. It's going to just record demo with the demo name. You can demo 10, and it's going to record demo 10. Okay, demo 10 will be the demo itself, but record is the command to record it. Just open up the console of the Quake 2, type this, and it's going to go ahead and take it. As again, 2// means this is the commands. This is not going to be executed within the game engine. Some of the Quake 2 game modes maybe not going to read this as the comments. So if it's not going to read like this as the comments, like Quake II Berserker reads comments, Quake II original game reads comments. Quake 2 RTX game reads comments, but some modes on the Quake 2 is not going to read the comments. So if it's not going to be the case, then just remove the comments, remove two forward slashes. But comments, as again, is going to help you out to understand exactly what's going on throughout this file, okay? But it's not going to execute. And in the end, I put the D1. D1, it means it's going to execute that variable automatically, even without the exec command. So first of all, we initialize the variables and values for those variables, just like in computer language. If you have a program before, I write in all kind of different computer languages, over 5 languages. But if you didn't, first you gotta initialize what is what. So you gotta create the variable name with some name to it, like D1 all the way to D19, and then some values for every single that variable. Otherwise, it's going to create an error on some of the computer languages and possibility on some of the Quake 2 modes. So always, if you're creating the variable, go ahead, like alias, it's called alias, as you can see, go ahead and automatically assign a value as well. Okay, so D1 I just call D1, and after it's initialized all of this nonsense that we wrote, but as again, this is not nonsense, this is absolutely amazing lines of code, and especially for those folks that would like to run more than one demo automatically in order that they like, this is like a goal. So guys, don't forget to support me, smash that like button and subscribe for more great valuable videos on all kind of different subjects, not only gaming, not only benchmarks, but software development, web development, AI, game development, some Photoshop tutorials, 3ds Max tutorials, 3D animation, 3D modeling tutorials, all kind of valuable videos. This YouTube channel is all about the value. All right, so hopefully guys I explained it for you very well. Please go ahead, you can share it on the forums, share it with your friends, Quakers. This is one of the best, and keep in mind that I'm working on a Quake 2 RTX that you don't want to miss. It's going to be cinematic mode for Quake 2 RTX game. It's going to be the best over my ModeDB web page. Let me show it you real quick. ModeDB and my official UHD King ModeDB page, and I'm working on Quake 2. Let me show you first how to get access to it, but go ahead and search UHD King like this, I would one on ModeDB or Artistic Bytes. I'm going to release it under the Artistic Bytes. This is the URL that you can find me right here, modedb.com/members/UHD King. Over here, I with the I, without the one. But go ahead and Google it. They may change the website layout and the Google SEO. So UG King over here like this with the one on ModeDB, and as you can see, I'm developing all kind of sophisticated stuff. I'm developing right now cinematic mode for Quake 2 RTX. I might develop Batman Arkham City cinematic mode or some cinematic modes for the Batman series games. Cinematic mode is going to bring the photorealism, it's going to improve the visuals to another level, and it's going to be totally available no matter what kind of game it's going to be released. Most likely it's going to be released by Artistic Bytes. This is my project for game development, software development, and AI by UHD King under the command. I also developing the cinematic mode for Quake 2 game. It's going to use the AI. I'm developing it since 2018, before even ChatGPT and all those AI was available, using one of the first AI. And I'm developing for the original Stalker series game cinematic mode, but most likely I'm also going to switch it to a Stalker enhanced games as well, and develop a mode if it's going to be a lot of support. So guys, go ahead and visit me and smash that like button. As you can see, my rank is 4,000 out of almost 1 million moders. Okay, a lot of people downloaded a lot of my files, and it's like a huge statistics right here. Let me show it to you. if you're gonna go under the files. I'm also releasing, besides the mode, some great fix like for Mafia 2 Classic, for Unreal Tournament 2004 64-bit, so it can run on 64-bit Windows operating system, and fixing some memory issues and stuff like that. Beautiful cinematic mode, 3D RTX weapons for Quake II RTX like you never saw before. Completely, like, when you're gonna see it, you're gonna be like, wow, check it out, the 24 gold classic railgun. This one is amazing. Let me show it to you, check it out. And not only that, I have the rusty one. I have a lot of goodies, so go ahead and check it out. A lot of people downloaded it, and a lot of people having fun. Just only the cinematic mode for Quake II RTX under the beta, under the first development version 1.0. I already switched to version 2.0. As you can see, only with the guns. I have, how many people downloaded? It's like so many people downloaded it. Almost 2,000 people downloaded it so far. Right now my rank 5,000 out of these over 60,000 modes, but it's getting below even 1,000. Right now I'm about to release version 2.0. 2.0 for Quake 2 RTX cinematic mode will be completely redesigned of the 3D world, 3D level design, while using my own image generative AI. It's going to be image services by AI, by Artistic Bytes, by UHD King in the future over this YouTube channel. So another reason for you to thumbs up. We're gonna build AIs together. You're gonna be part of the projects, so you don't want to miss your opportunity to subscribe for free. Go ahead and smash that like, subscribe, and like button, and share it with your friends, guys. If you're a gamer, game developer, into technologies, into AI, UHD King is like a gold. You want to subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's all about value before the profit. Alright, guys, so pretty much everything was explained. Thank you so much for watching. Please watch this video in 4K UHD video resolution, even if the whole my desktop right now is running 8K UHD, but I recorded in 4K UHD. Go ahead and watch it. Go ahead and integrate this idea. And where you're gonna put this file, this whatever file you're gonna create it, pretty much you're gonna put it in your Quake 2 folder installation, and you gotta put it in the base Q 2 right here folder. So you're gonna put it in the base Q2 folder inside of your Quake 2 folder. It's going to be base Q2 folder. Put that file, and as you can see, I named that as UG King benchmark 1.cfg, and I also have another one, UHD King benchmark 2.cfg. You can create one CFG file, and you can run multiple CFG files by creating the alias. And you can say under the alias, as again, you can link one CFG file with another CFG file. You can create the alias D20 here, and you can say instead of D19 over here, you can say, instead of demo, run demo, you can say, let me save that, you can say exec, which is execute, and you can say demo 2.cfg, and it's going to execute demo 2.cfg file in the base Q folder inside of your Quake 2 folder. And this is how you can link, as you can see, multiple CFGs and do multiple commands automatically for Quake 2 game engine, which is original ID Tech 2 game engine, while ID Tech 3 game engine was powering Quake 2 Arena game that you also want to check out. Quake 2 Arena game, it's a beautiful, guys, under the Artistic Bytes, under my cinematic mode. Let me show it to you. You're just gonna go here, and it's all under the developer Artistic Bytes, and under the Artistic Bytes I have all kind of different modes. Go cinematic mode for Quake 3 if you also Quake 3 player, check it out. Below 2,000 rank out of the 61,000 developers. Okay, developers like a companies or a single developer. I'm a single developer right now as the CEO and CTO of the Artistic Bytes, and this is how I'm going to start this company, with the free modes, with the freebies first, and then in the future we're gonna developing games together over this UHD King official YouTube channel. So smash that like button, subscribe, do not miss, as again, this is beautiful. Check it out, guys. If you're gonna go and you're gonna see what I develop, it's just unbelievable. I developed such a good things that you don't wanna miss for Quake 2, Quake 3. It's just looking just unbelievable, guys, and you're gonna enjoy, right? This is Quake 2 cinematic mode logo that I developed in 3D. All right, guys. Well, thank you so much for watching. As again, my name is UGD King, aka I play 4K, aka I play 8K, aka I play 16K. Go ahead and visit my YouTube channel to find out why my nickname like that. Watch my 4K, 8K, and even 16K video resolution benchmarks, 16K gameplays. It's going to be a playlist and all kind of sophisticated benchmarks, hardware, how to do step-by-step tutorials and gameplays. It's just fantastic YouTube channel. All right, have a good morning, good day, good afternoon. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe. A lot of time, money, energy is invested, and I will see you guys till the next time. Any comments are welcome. Please be nice. All the trolls and hateful individuals will be banned. Till the next time.